function, you will get ft. The second function of gs, you will get gt. Then by using convolution theorem, inverse Laplace transform of fs equal to ft. Same goes to g. And then inverse Laplace transform of fs dot gs. Okay, it is equal to integration from 0 to t, meaning that positive side, of fu gtu du. Okay. So here is a bit revision. You can refer also to your module, but I don't want to go in detail about this. You can refer how to use it. Okay. Same as what we have at the back of your module. And then example here, example 4.26. Maybe we can look at for this example. For inverse Laplace transform using convolution theorem. Okay. So here it says that if you have inverse Laplace transform fs equal to ft and inversion of gs equal to gt. So inverse Laplace transform of fs gs. Okay, class. This is in time domain. Okay. Laplace transform gs, fs and gs. Okay, these two are in frequency domain, so that in frequency domain we can multiply together. So multiplication of this frequency domain, we call it as convolution. Convolution. Right? But the convolution is multiplication in frequency domain. So equal to integration from 0 to the positive side fu g t minus u du. Okay. Look at example 4.26. Okay. Inverse Laplace of 1 over s squared minus s minus 6 using convolution theorem. Okay. Okay. Is the step provided here? Oh no. So step written as step 1 until step 5. Okay. So the first one, if you refer to the module, page berapa? 4.26, yeah. 4.26, page 100. 130. 130. Okay. Okay, 130. The steps. The first one, given expression, make sure it can be expressed in form of here in S, meaning that it can represented as two functions, fs and gs. So choose which one, fs and gs. After that, find inverse Laplace transform of the function. Okay. After that, now you need to change to FU and GTU. Okay. Alright, and then the last one, find the inversion Laplace transform. So the first one, 1 over s squared minus s minus 6 equal to 1 over. So for this part, you can change to s3 to negative. Okay, so 1 over s minus 3 multiply 1 over s plus 2. Okay. Then choose your fs. So fs, the first one, I choose this as fs 1 over s minus 3 and then gs 1 over s plus 2. Number 3, inverse Laplace transform, okay, of fs and gs. Okay. So inverse Laplace transform of fs equal to inverse Laplace transform of 1 over s minus 3. So what we'll get? What we will get? Ingat lagi? For this part, so refer to the table 1 over s. Mana formula? Here. We have 1 over s minus 3. 1 over s minus 3. So we refer to
1 over s minus a.
So we'll get exponential AT. Okay, ada cara lain tak? Any other method? Saya punya ni tak okey lah sekejap Saya tak boleh nak padam pula. Okay, we have the first one. Use this. And then the second one, use this plus dengan first shift. You can also get the same answer. Boleh? If you use this one, 1 over s, so you will get 1. After that, first shift method, since it has minus a, so multiply exponential. Exponential AT, right? Betul? First shift method ingat tak? You all ni betul ni, ingat ke tidak ni? Okay, tak apa. Mana tadi? Okay. So you will get exponential AT. So exponential A equal to 3. Okay. So this is your FT. GT. Inverse Laplace of GS. Inverse Laplace of 1 over S plus 2. So exponential negative 2t. Any questions so far? Class?
No, madam.
So next, find step number 4. Fu and gt minus u. Okay. Right, you have, just now you have ft equal to exponential 3t, gt equal to exponential negative 2t. Now, t you change to, for f, t here you change to u. So, fu equal to g, g, exponential 3 u. So, gt minus u equal to t right now you change to t minus u. So, exponential negative 2t is t minus u. Then finally you need to find its Laplace transform of fs gs. So what you need to do is integrate on u, fu g e minus u du. Okay. So inverse Laplace transform of 1 over s minus 3 multiply s 1 over s plus 2 equal to integration from 0 to t. Your fu is exponential 3u, and then gtu is exponential negative 2t minus u. Integrate on u. On u meaning means that du here. Integration on u, and then from 0 to t. So you can combine, since both of this exponential and multiplication of exponential, so you can combine exponential 3u minus 2t plus 2u du from 0 to t. So exponential here 3u and 2u is 5u minus 2t du. Okay. If you have any question, you may interrupt me. So integrate exponential 5u minus 2t over 5 from 0 to t. Or you can take this 1 over 5 out. Exponential 5. Okay. U here become t. Okay. 5t minus 2t minus exponential 5, 0 minus 2t so 1 over 5 exponential 3t minus exponential negative 2t. Any question? Any question?
Saya nak tanya.
Ya, Hanan.
Apa jadi kalau contoh kita tukar ST dengan GT tu? Macam ni kita ambil 1 over S minus 3 sebagai GS dan 1 over S plus 2 sebagai FS. Ada
Ni.
beza ke?
Tak ada.
Tak ada beza.
Dia ada beza, tapi nanti you akan dapat yang mungkin general solution berbeza. For example, kalau you have for particular solution, you will get the same answer actually.
Okay, Doktor. Thank you.
The same thing. Okay. Okay. Anyone tried for this FS mana sudah? FS is 1 over S plus 2. Ada tak yang buat? Ada tak? Dia sama je. Maybe we can try. Nak try? Let's say testing. Not test So the question is apa tadi? Inverse Laplace transform of 1 over S squared minus S minus 6 kan? So the first step, same thing. 1 over S minus 3, 1 over S plus 2. So second apa? Okay. For example, this one GS this one FS. Okay. So inverse Laplace of Fs equal to inverse Laplace transform of 1 over S plus 2. So exponential minus 2t. Inverse Laplace transform GS equal to inverse Laplace transform 1 over S minus 3 exponential 3t GT. Macam gini kan Hanan? You ask this kind of question kan?
Betul.
Buat tak? Have you tried? Not yet. Let's try
Saya
together.
baru sampai step 4.
Oh, step 4. Hanan is now trying and then he is now at step number 4. So Fu equal to exponential negative 2u gt minus u equal to exponential 3t minus u. Number 4, inverse Laplace transform of Fs Gs equal to zero tfu gt minus u du. So inverse Laplace transform of 1 over s plus 2 1 over s minus 3 equal to 0t exponential f, your f exponential negative 2u gtu exponential 3t minus u du. Okay, so integrate exponential negative 2u plus 3t minus 3 du. Negative kan? So integration of 3t minus 5u over negative negative 1 over 5. Okay, boleh so far? From so negative 1 over 5 exponential 3t minus 5t minus exponential 3t minus 5 0. Okay, so exponential negative 2t minus exponential 3t. Okay, you get the same answer?
Dapat.
Dapat kan? So 1 over 5 exponential 3t minus exponential negative 2t. Okay. So you can choose any of these two as your Fs, and then the other one is Gs. Now, how about example 4? Example 4.29. Inverse Laplace of s squared over s squared plus 4. So the first one, s squared over s squared plus 4 squared equal to, okay class, this is not partial fraction. Okay, this is in a convolution theorem. So you need to multiply s over s squared plus 4 times s over s squared plus 4. Okay, in this case, your Fs and Gs has the same value. So Fs this is Fs and then this is Gs. Number 2, inverse Laplace of Fs equal to inverse Laplace of s over s squared plus 4. So inverse Laplace of this, you can refer to the table. So inverse Laplace transform of, refer to the table. You have S over S squared plus 4. So since S squared here must be A squared. So this become S over S squared plus 2 squared in order to make it as A squared. Boleh tak ni?
Boleh, doktor, boleh.
Saya nak tengok. Tak boleh tengok attendance. So mana bersesuaian? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So it is cos 80. Inverse Laplace S over S squared plus A squared equal to cos 80. So equal to cos your A is inverse Laplace of S over S squared plus A squared. Allah, A pula 2 squared So here A equal to 2 cos 2t. Okay, this is Ft. Okay. Next, inverse Laplace transform of GS equal to inverse Laplace of the same so equal to cos 2t juga kan. Okay. Then next step apa? Okay.
FU, GT, SU.
FU Find FU. FU equal to cos 2u G T minus U equal to cos 2t minus U. Here meaning that T change T to T and T minus U. Sorry, not T, apa U. Then inverse Laplace transform of Fs Gs. Okay. Integration Fu Gt minus U. Okay. Inverse Laplace of S over S square plus 4 convolution with S over S squared plus 4 again equal to cos 2u multiply with cos 2u cos 2t minus u du. Okay, so use cos. Okay, look at here. You have cos. Here cos 2u, here cos 2t minus u. So you have cos A, cos B. Cos A, cos B equal to cos A plus B plus cos A minus B over 2. Azan. Try, continue. Continue. I stop because now Azan here. Okay. So kita continue. Cos A, cos B. Okay. Here. So step number 5. We have cos 2u cos 2t minus u equal to integration from 0 to t cos, so cos A, cos B, so your A, this is B. Everyone with me? Is everyone with me?
Doktor.
Yes, Doktor.
Ada nak tanya ke?
Saya. Yang tu bukan
Siapa
patutnya.
saya?
Hanan.
Ya, Nan.
Bukannya patut cos dengan sin tu.
Kenapa sin? Cosine ke cos?
Kalau
Sin.
ikut. Sebab saya rasa doktor yang apa? S over kan? Yang GS atas tu patutnya 1 over kan.
GS S over because we have S squared. Saya ada salah ke?
Okay. Saya salah.
Okay, dah petang-petang ni kan, tak apa.
Sorry doktor.
Okay, it's okay. Thank you, Hanan. When you ask me question and then your friends also, okay, look. Become concentrate. Otherwise, become ngantuk-ngantuk kan, everyone. Dah petang. Okay, and then cos A, cos B. So your A to U, B to T minus U. Apa lagi? A, cos. So integration, so cos A, so 2U plus B. So B here become 2T minus 2U. Okay. So plus 2T minus 2U. Okay. Careful Plus cos A is 2U minus B. Minus B. Okay. Don't miss the bracket because this minus sign So 2T minus 2U over 2. Macam mana Mat. Du. Continue here. Equal to integration 0T 1. So take half out of the bracket cos. Okay. Now can cancel this. Okay. Alright. Cos 2T plus cos. Okay. For this part, we will get 2U Minus minus become plus, plus 2u. So become 4. 4u minus 2t. Okay. Now we start to integrate. So 1 over 2. This integration is on du. So for this part, become integration cos t du. Dapat berapa kelas? Cos 2t u. Boleh? Plus integration cos for u. Integration of cos will get sin 4u minus 2t divide by 4. 0 to t. Any question so far? Ya, tak ada. I just continue. So change t, change u to t u. So u here. So t cos 2t plus sin 4t minus 2t over 2. Sorry, over 4. Small one, bracket. Minus u is 0, so 0 plus sin 2t over 4. Dapat tak? So equal to we have this. So 1 over 2 t cos 2t plus sin 2t over 4 minus sin 2t over 4. Plus ke minus? Minus, minus. Oh, I miss step kan? Saya just miss a step here. Yep. Negative 2t. Betul Negative 2t. So, negatif kan? Sekejap. Positif. Allah, kenapa saya salah ni? Positif, negatif. Sekejap, saya salah ni. T. Positif kan? Betul, positif tadi. Betul tak? 2t. Kenapa saya tulis negatif kan? Oh, U. So 0. For U is going to be 0 minus 2t. So become negative kan? Negative 2t. Sekejap, sin 2t. Saya ada silap mana ke? Minus sin. Kosong
Sama.
tambah sin 2t. So plus over 4. Saya ada terskip ni. Okay. Right, sebab sin negatif sin 2t sin negatif 2t sama Correct me if I'm wrong here. Saya ada salah-salah lagi tak? 2t for 0 minus 2t sin minus 2t become okay, boleh So yang ni pun saya ada notation, so plus minus. So it is actually starts with dia ada negatif tadi kan? Boleh dapat Negatif sin negatif 2t, betul? Betul? Tadi negatif. Alright. And then equal to 1 over 2 cos 2t plus 2 sin 2t and then over 4 equal to half. Dah. Semua okey tak? Okay. Alamak, pukul 5. Sekejap. Okay, then we continue. Give me 1 minute.
Boleh doktor.
Okay. Sebab sis kita buat online, saya kena cancel kelas. Saya lupa pula beritahu. Kalau tak, takut dia tinggalkan kunci kat ni kan mana-mana. Alright. Okay. So, I don't want to go to the exercise. You can look at and try for the exercise 4G. But maybe we can go to the second part. I mean the last technique for finding inverse Laplace transform is by using transform of integral. Mana? Oh, saya dah pening. Okay. Transform of integral. Okay. So just now, modulation is about multiplication of two functions in frequency domain. Multiplication in two functions in frequency domain, we can use modulation. We can say it is modulation between two functions of f and g. Okay, but for this transform of integral, so we have a function of fx that divide by s. Okay. Right? I think we can finish this class on sekarang berapa? Before 5:30 we can finish. After that I prefer to have on face to face actually for application. Hopefully we can have a class for application. I just want to finish for this inverse Laplace transform. So we can finish in 10 minutes maybe. Inverse Laplace transform using transform of integral. Okay. If inversion, if the Laplace of a function ft equal to fs, so for the inversion of this ft, but if it is divided by s, okay, you can use transform of integral method. You integrate your f u to du. Okay. We have example for 4.30. Inverse Laplace transform of 1 over s squared minus 9. Okay. So the first one, 1 over s squared minus 9. Okay. Expressed in fs over s expression. How can you change this this function to this kind of expression. So which one, because you have 1 over s, right? So in this, for this equation or this function, okay, take out your 1 over s first. So your 1 over s, yeah. Okay. So the rest is fs. So your fs, now your fs become s squared over 9 or 1 over s squared over 9, s squared minus 9 or 1 over s squared minus 9. Class?
1 over s squared minus 9.
This one, why we cannot choose this? Because fs, fs multiply with 1 over s. Okay? So fs, or we can see like this, fs multiply with 1 over s. Okay? So that this become your fs. Because 1 over s multiply with 1 over s squared minus 9, so that you can get back your function here. Okay. So fs squared minus 9. So number 3, you need to find your ft. So your ft, what is your ft? Class, your module, okay, has answer as 1 over 3 hyperbolic sine 3t. How to get it?
We need to modify.
Modify. How we can modify this?
9, we change it to 3 square. Then the 1 we multiply with 3. And we need to divide by 3 to equalize.
So can we stop here? 1 over s squared minus
No.
squared? No.
No.
Why?
Because we don't have this form in table.
Because we don't have, okay, 1 over s squared minus a squared. Okay. Or we don't have a over s squared minus b squared. We don't have this kind of equation or function in the table. Okay. We have only 2 types. The first one, s over s squared minus a squared, plus or minus here. And also we have a over s squared plus or minus a squared. Okay, we don't have a over a squared plus minus b squared. We don't have this. Okay, so we need to modify. Since we don't have s on numerator, so we can modify using this kind of function, a over s squared plus minus a squared. Okey tak yang lain? Allah, what happened? Hah, hilang. Saya tak boleh buat apa lah ni. Tak kacaukan. Sekejap. Okay. Kenapa Alright. So, number 2 tadi apa? Fs. 1 over s squared minus 9. So, ft inverse Laplace of 1 over s squared minus 9 inverse Laplace of 1 over s squared minus 9 is 3 squared. So, we need to change and modify this to a. So, this become 3 over s squared minus 3 squared multiply 1 over 3. Okay. So here times 3 over 3. So hopefully you understand this. These 3. Okay. 1 over 3, look at the table. We have inverse, Laplace transform of hyperbolic sine. Sine hyperbolic at equal to a over s squared minus a squared. Am I right? Okay, refer to this. Boleh Yang lagi. And then sine hyperbolic a is 3 t. Okay. This is ft. Next step. Step berapa? 4. Step number 4. Fu. So Fu, you have ft1 over 3 sine hyperbolic 3t. Now t you change to u, so 3u. So number 5, inverse Laplace of 1 over s squared minus 9 equal to integration of fu du. Class, why we need to integrate fu du here? Because if you want to use transform of integral, if you want to use integral method to solve your inverse Laplace transform, okay, your function can be rewrite, okay, as fs over s or fs multiply 1 over s, the same thing. Okay, so because based on this, if your equation of function can be written as fs over s, so that you need to solve in fu du. Okay, fu du. Okay, that's why you need to use this formula, integration fu du. So integration fu du. So fu is, okay, put this outside, 1 over 3 integration 0 to t. Fu is hyperbolic sine 3u du. So integration of hyperbolic sine, you will get cos 3u over 3 du. Is du. No. Now we integrate already. So 0 t. So take it, multiply for 3 here. So you will get 1 over 9 cos 3u become cos 3t minus cos 0. So 1 over 9 cos 0 is 0 or 1? 1 eh? So cos 3t minus 1. So your final FT. Boleh eh?
Boleh.
Example 4.31, I think very similar. Okay. As example 4.30, then you can try exercise because I don't want to go in deep for this. Okay. So I think we just stop here. So next week we go to no, not next week, on Wednesday. Okay. Or sekejap. I would like to stop recording.